Good morning, children. How are you all? A very warm welcome to all of you. Kids, do you know what we are going to learn today? A very interesting topic. Insects. Yes, you heard it right. Insects. You all must have seen insects, right? In your garden, on trees, on plants, and everywhere you go. Children, do you know? Insects are the largest group of animals on earth. So, are you ready for today's session?
Ant. Ant यानी चींटी. Kids, you must have seen ants in your house, right? They are either red or black in color. They have 6 legs and 2 antennas. Do you know? Ants always live in a really big colonies. They all together march from one place to another in search of food, and they get into almost everything. This is a mosquito. Mosquito have 6 legs, 2 antennas and 1 sucker through which they suck blood from human body. आप बोलते हो ना मम्मा को, मम्मा मुझे मच्छर ने काट लिया. Yes, because mosquito feed on human blood and they cause disease like malaria and dengue fever. Housefly, commonly known as fly. They are black in color. They have 6 legs and transparent wings to fly. Housefly are commonly found in homes, on garbage, or on open food items. They spread germs by sitting on food. So we should always keep our food covered and our homes clean. Cockroach. They are a common kind of insects that are found in many places. They are blackish or brownish in color. Cockroaches have 6 legs, 2 wings and 2 antennas, which they use as nose and mouth to taste and smell food. Kids, have you seen cockroaches? क्या आपने कॉकरोच को किचन या बाथरूम में देखा है? Yes, they creep around in dirty places. Honeybee. Yes, from the name only you will come to know that this bee gives honey. Honeybee is yellow and black or brown in color. Can you see the beautiful stripes on its body? Yes, honeybee have 6 legs, 2 wings and 5 eyes. This is a honeycomb where the honeybees collect honey. How do they make honey? Yes, they make honey from the nectar of flowers. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar is a small insect with soft body. They are seen in different colors. But do you know they are mostly of same color as their habitat. They feed on leaves of trees and plants. They eat a lot because they need energy to turn themselves into a beautiful butterfly. Ladybird. Isn't it a beautiful insect? Yes, it is a tiny beautiful insect. It is generally red in color with black spots. They are happy in many different homes like grass, forest, cities and riversides. Ladybird have 6 legs, 2 antennas and it has an outer shell with wings inside to fly. This is a dragonfly. It is a flying insect and it is in variety of colors. A dragonfly can be easily identified by its long body, transparent wings, two large eyes and 6 legs. We can see dragonfly in garden, on flowers and plants. They eat other small insects as food. Beetle. It is an insect found on wood, wool, carpets. They have flat body, 2 antennas and 6 legs. Some beetles have wings also. They eat leaves of plants and trees as food. Grasshopper. From the name, you can make out it is green as grass and it hops. That is, it jumps. Grasshopper has 6 legs, 2 antennas. They eat plants and hence they damage crops. They are commonly brown and green in color. They jump long distances. They live in green grass, on plants and on trees. Children, now here I have a worksheet for you. In this, different pictures are given. You have to put tick for the insects and a cross for other animals in the space given below. I hope you will do this on your own.
Children, I hope you enjoyed our today's session. See you again in our next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.